Hi everyone, welcome to the online classes D1 Nalgonda, 10th class mathematics, English medium, trigonometry. In previous classes, we have studied the definitions of 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, cot theta, and we found the trigonometric ratios for some specific angles: sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. We found the values by taking some examples, and after that we proved that trigonometric ratios for complementary angles: sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, cot 90 minus theta tan theta, cosec 90 minus theta sec theta, sec 90 minus the cosec theta. So, after knowing all these concepts, we have solved some problems from the exercises 11.1, 11.2, 11.3. 11.1 is based on definitions of trigonometric ratios, and 11.2 is based on trigonometric values for some specific angles, and 11.3 is based on trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. The last exercise in this lab chapter 11.4, that is based on trigonometric identities. There are 3 trigonometric identities. Let us prove the trigonometric identities. After that, we solve the problems in 11.4. Okay, let us start now. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let us prove this trigonometric identity by using this triangle. Let us take here 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Then what will be this one? 3 square plus 4 square. According to Pythagoras theorem, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to what? Under root of 3 square plus 4 square, we get this one. That one, 3 square means 9, 4 square 16, that is equal to 25, that is equal to 5. Since 3, 4, 5 makes a right angle triangle. You know that 3, 4, 5 measurements make a right angle triangle: 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and its multiples 3k, 4k, 5k also makes a right angle triangle. For example, 3 1 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10. 6, 8, 10 centimeter measurements make a right angle triangle. 3 3 ja 9, 4 3 ja 12, 5 3 ja 15 also make a right angle triangle. 9, 12, 15. So, by taking this we prove the identity. Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta we have taken at C, vertex C. Theta opposite to theta is equal to 4 centimeters, and hypotenuse is 5 centimeters, 4 by 5 whole square. Next, cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 1. 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 16 plus 9 25 by 25 is equal to 1, that is equal to 1. So, both sides are equal. So, after knowing this trigonometric identity, we can derive 4 more formulas from this. How? Second formula from this. Sin square theta is equal to, by transposing cos square to the right side, 1 minus cos square theta. Third one, sin theta is equal to find sin theta, we use 1 minus cos square theta, under root of 1 minus cos square theta. This is third one. Next, fourth one, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. By transposing sin theta to right side, 1 minus sin square theta. To find cos theta, we have to find square root of this one. So, 1 minus sin square theta. That means to express sin theta in terms of cos theta, we use this formula. Express sin theta in terms of cos theta means under root of 1 minus cos square theta. అలాగనే cos theta ను sin theta లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయండి అంటే under root of 1 minus sin square theta. sin square theta ను cos theta లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయండి 1 minus cos square theta. సో దీని యూజ్ ఏంది ఇంకా అంటే we can find the and we can show that suppose sin square 10 is equal to cos square 10 is will be asked in the examination. Then what do you write? We don't know the sin square 10 value, cos square 10 value, but using this trigonometric identity we can write the answer is 1. Its answer is 1. You can take any equal angles, sin square 11 cos square 11 1, sin square 20 cos square 21, sin square 30 cos square 31. If we take same angles here, we get the, after simplification we get 1. This is the use of this trigonometric ratio. Here sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, 1 sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. So we can write four more formulas from this trigonometric identity, 1 2 3 4. Altogether there are 5 formulas. Similarly, we can write 4 more formulas from this after proof. Let us prove this 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, secant square theta. 1 plus tan theta, tan theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side by adjacent side tan theta, 1 plus 4 by 3 whole square is equal to sec theta. What is sec theta here? Hypotenuse by adjacent side 5 by 3 whole square. Here 1 plus 16 by 9. 16, 9 1 9, 9 plus 16. Here 9 1 9, 9 plus 16, 25 by 9. Here also we get 5 square 25, 3 square 9. So both we get 25, both sides we get 25 by 9. Therefore this trigonometric identity is true for all thetas 0 to 90 degrees. If we substitute here 1 plus tan square 10 is equal to sin square 10, 1 plus tan square 11 is equal to secant square 11, 1 plus tan square 12 is equal to secant square 12. So if we take any equal degrees in the place of theta, we will get same. Let us write 4 more formulas, let us derive 4 more formulas from this identity. The first one, 1 plus, we can derive this one, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Just rewrite. So this can be from this we can write sec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta, because secant square theta, from that we can find sec theta. So to keep by keeping radical sign. So from this tan square theta is equal to secant square theta plus 1 by transpose becomes minus 1. Fourth one, tan theta is equal to under root of secant square theta minus 1. So here express sec theta in terms of tan theta means you have to write like this. Sec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta, and express tan theta in terms of sec theta means you have to write like this. Tan theta is under root of secant square theta minus 1. Moreover, if the question is asked like this, secant square 15 degrees minus tan square 15 degrees is equal to what? In the examination the questions will be asked like this, secant square 15 minus tan square 15. Even though we don't know the values of 15 degrees, we can write 1 is the answer by using this trigonometric identity. Sin square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So by using this trigonometric identities we can write the answers. That means secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 by using this one. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 formulae or 5 formulae can be derived from this one. Similarly, you can prove this one also. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. How to prove this? By using this triangle we can prove that one. 1 plus cot theta. What is the cot theta? Here cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. 3 by 4 whole square. What is cosec theta here? Cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. 5 by 4 whole square. 1 plus 3 means 9, 4, 16, 4 square 16, 16 1 ja 16, 16 plus 3 9, 25 by 16. Here also 25 by 16. So both sides we get same answers. That's why we can say 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. X plus cosec square theta in terms of cot square theta means we have to say this one. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. First one. Second one, cosec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus cot square theta. To express cosec theta in terms of cot theta, you have to write like this, keep radical symbol and 1 plus cot square theta. And next third one, we can write this one, cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to, by transposing 1 to that side, if we make subject cot square theta, transpose 1 to right side, that is cosec square theta minus 1. Then we can write this one as cot theta is equal to under root of cosec square theta minus 1. And moreover, the last one, transpose cot square to left side, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. In this way, we can write 5 formulas from third trigonometric identity all together here also. So general we can say that this is the third trigonometric identity, this is the second trigonometric identity, and this is the sin square 10 or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is the first trigonometric identity. You can write this one as, or otherwise you can write secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. You have to memorize all these formulae, 15 formulae, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we can solve the problems in the 11.4 easily. Let us solve the problems in the exercise 11.4. While solving these problems, we have to keep all formulas in our memory. These are the derivatives of the first formula. First trigonometric identity sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. ఈ విధంగా మనం ఒక ఫార్ములా నుంచి 4 ఫార్ములాస్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇందులో నుంచి 4 ఎక్స్ట్రా 4 ఈ 4 తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇందులో నుండి మళ్ళీ 4 ఫార్ములాస్ 1 2 3 4 ఇది మనకు ఐడియా ఉండాలి. సో ఇట్లా sin is equal to cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta, cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, here sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, sec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, tan theta is equal to under root of sec square theta minus 1. Similarly, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, cosec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus cot square theta, cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, cot theta is equal to root of cosec square minus 1. ఇది ఎట్లా వచ్చింది ఇది అంటే ఈ 1 ఇంటి తీసుకురండి, ఆ కాట్ అటు తీసుకెళ్ళండి, అప్పుడు కాట్ స్క్వేర్ theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So from these 15 formulae we can solve these questions. We have to evaluate. Evaluate means you have to simplify this problem. How to simplify? So let us change this tan theta and cot theta into sin cos by changing these trigonometric functions sin and cos. We can solve this one easily. How? 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, because this is the reciprocal of sec is cos. So 1 by cos. Sin can be written as, tan can be written as sin by cos. Similarly here also cot theta means cos by sin, cos theta by sin theta. Cosec means reciprocal of cosec is sin, therefore cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. In this way, first change all these trigonometric ratios into sin and cos. Now take cos theta as LCM here. So cos theta into 1 cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, because cos theta by cos theta 1 into sin theta sin theta. Cos theta by cos theta 1 into 1 1. Next let us simplify this one. Here sin theta into 1 sin theta by sin theta 1 into cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta 1 into 1 1. Here how can we multiply sin theta into 1 sin theta? Because if we take 1 in the denominator, divide sin theta by denominator, divide LCM by denominator, sin theta by 1 sin theta into 1 sin theta. Here also we can take 1 cos theta by 1 cos theta into 1 cos theta. So in this way we can simplify. Now let us multiply this one with this one. Here it seems these two, we can take this one as a, same functions are here, cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. A plus b into a minus b, this is total one a plus b, a minus b, therefore a square minus b square, we can write it as a square. A means here cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus b means 1 square, a square minus b square. The denominator cos theta into sin theta. Now let us simplify this one. A plus b whole square, we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a means cos square theta, b means sin square theta plus 2ab, 2 sin theta cos theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab, here minus 1 by the denominator cos theta into sin theta. Here we know that cos square plus theta plus sin square theta, no value the cos square theta plus sin square theta. From this table sin square plus cos square equal 1. So we can substitute in the place of these two functions, we can write 1. Then write the other as this 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by the denominator cos theta into sin theta. Here plus 1 minus 1 0, the remaining 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Now here sin theta cancel, cos cancel, because into is there. So the final answer is 2 by 1 is equal to 2. In this way we can simplify the questions by keeping memory all these formulas in our mind. Now let us solve the second question and third question by using these trigonometric identities. How to solve them? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. We have to simplify this one. Second question. ఎలా సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి? మనకు తెలుసు ఫార్ములా a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Here a means sin square theta, b means cos square theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 into a into b plus here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here minus square is a minus b whole square, a square b square minus 2a into b, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, so after subtraction it becomes 0. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus altogether value is 1. Here also sin square is 1, so from this we get 2. Here plus symbol is there, we will get 2. If there is minus symbol, then what do you get? If there is minus symbol, the answer will be changed. So here sin theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Here also sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Let us solve third problem from this textbook. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Minus 1. So secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1, what is there? Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So secant square theta minus equal to tan square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 cot square theta. We have to write like this. We have to memorize. Then tan square theta into cot square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta because reciprocal. Cot square theta can be 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta can be written as 1 by cot square theta. So reciprocal. Here both gets cancelled. You will get 1. Total answer is 1. In this way, we solve the problems in this 11.4 exercise. Now show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here you have to take LHS and show the RHS. So let us take left hand side to the is equal symbol LHS, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This is the form of a minus b whole square. A square means cosec square theta, not cosec theta square, cosec square theta plus b square. B means this one, this is a, this is b. B means cot square theta. A square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b. Here a means cosec theta, b means cot theta, but don't write minus cot, write only cot theta because already there is minus is there. So a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. Next here cosec square theta, then let us change this one into sin cos. Cosec square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. This is cos square theta by sin square theta because cos theta is equal to cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cot square theta is equal to cos square by sin square theta minus 2 into here cosec theta into cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Now here how can we simplify? Still cosec theta also can be written as 1 by sin theta because reciprocal of cosec theta is equal to sin theta. సో ఇట్ కెన్ బి 1 బై సైన్. ఈ విధంగా మీరు అన్నింటినీ కూడా మీరు సైన్ కాస్లోకి చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఒక్కొక్కసారి ప్రాబ్లం మనకు ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. కాట్ కెన్ కాస్ బై సైన్. హియర్ 1 బై సైన్ స్క్వేర్ టీటా, హియర్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ టీటా బై సైన్ స్క్వేర్ టీటా. Here 2 into 1 2 cos theta by sin square theta. Here what is the LCM? Because all are similar like fractions, అన్ని కూడా like fractions కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకు sin square theta అనేది LCM అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు న్యూమరేటర్ అన్నీ కూడా మొత్తం యాడ్ చేసి రాసుకోవచ్చు. 1 ప్లస్ cos square theta మైనస్ 2 cos theta. సో ఇది ఒకసారి మనం ఆలోచిస్తే దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు అంటే 1 కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ 1 స్క్వేర్ కాస్ theta హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ 1 ఇంటూ కాస్ theta. దీన్ని మనం ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా చూద్దాం. 1 స్క్వేర్ 1 or 1 స్క్వేర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ కాస్ theta హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ cos square theta. 2 into 1 into cos theta, again we get 2 cos theta by sin square theta. మరి ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఇలా రాసినామంటే ఇది a square plus b square minus 2ab ఫార్ములాలో ఉంది. ab 2ab, therefore this can be written as a minus b whole square. a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here this is a, this is b. Here minus is there, therefore a minus b whole square by sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square also can be written as 1 minus cos theta into again 1 minus cos theta, because square is there, you have to write 2 times. By sin square theta can be written as, see there, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we can write 1 minus cos square theta. Here 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, again we get a square minus b square. In the numerator a minus b whole square, the denominator a plus b into a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Now cancel the equal factors, you can cancel, remaining one is the answer. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, this is the here RHS, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, therefore is equal to RHS. In this way we can prove this. First of all, let's take LHS and convert them into cos and sin. At last we get the answer. Now let us solve this question. Show that under root of 1 plus sin a minus 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. Again we take LHS and we have to prove this RHS. Take LHS under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. In this type questions we have to do like this, we have to rationalize denominator, means multiply numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a. If 1 minus sin a is in the denominator, you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. If plus sin a is there, multiply with 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a. Just like in the 9th class rationalization, we multiply to rationalize with a rationalizing factor. The same way here, multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a. Here under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Multiply like this, opposite symbol, taken by opposite symbol. With this we get, here we get 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, we get 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, here a square minus b square. Now here under root of 1 plus sin a whole square, don't square it, keep it as this, don't expand it, keep it as this. In the denominator 1 minus sin square a is there. So let us continue this process. 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin square a, we know that what is 1 minus sin square a? Cos square a. See there, 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. Now we can remove the square root. 1 plus sin a whole square, this can be written as 1 plus sin a whole square by under root of cos square a. Keep square root to numerator and denominator separate గా square root పెడదాం. ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ కి రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. హియర్ 1 ప్లస్ sin a, హియర్ cos square a, square root of cos square a is cos a. Now divide each one by cos a. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a is equal to sec a, sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. Sec a plus tan a in the right hand side, we got the same result. So this is equal to RHS. By taking LHS, we proved RHS. Similarly, solve the other problems in the exercise 11.4.